Good morning everyone. So today we are going to learn about basic operation and mixed operation involving unknown. So what is unknown? Unknown is something that we don't know the value. We don't have the value. So in mathematics, we represent the unknown with alphabets such as A, B, C, X, Y, Z, like that. Okay, so let's see the first question. Given X minus 0.92 million is equal to 1.67 million and 1,200,000 minus y is equal to 0.35 million. So find the value of x minus y in decimal of a million. So when we look at the question states that we have to find the answer in decimal of a million. So do you have to change all these numbers to fraction or whole number? No need, right? Because we already have the number in decimal of a million. So just use the number given. So now we are going to find x and y. So we do one by one. We use the first one, the first number given to you. So this is the one that we have to do first. So teacher is going to copy the question again, the one that we are going to solve first. So this is the thing that we are going to find. So the unknown here is x. So in order to find x, you see how teacher do it. We put the x on the left hand side like this. Then we write down the equal. This number we just need to copy it. Okay. Then we look at this minus symbol. The opposite symbol of minus is addition, right? As teacher always mentioned to you, the opposite symbol of minus is addition. The opposite of addition is minus. The opposite of multiplication is division. The same goes with division. The opposite operation is multiplication. So that's how it works. So now we have 1.67 million. We move to the right hand side, become plus. Plus what? Plus this number. So we copy this number, we put at the right hand side. Like this. So are you able to solve this question now? It's more easier, right? So let's see how to solve. So x is equal to 1.67 million. You add with 0.92 million. So you can do in this way. Is it okay? Is it clear? Teacher give you time to look at it first. Okay, now we just copy the unit. There is million. Now 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. You bring 1 here. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 0 is also 2. So this is the value of x. Therefore, x is equal to 2.59 million. Is it clear? So now we find the value of x. Next, we are going to find the value of y. How to find y? We use the second information that is given to you. That is 1,200,000 minus y is equal to 0.35 million. So this is the equation, right? So now we are going to find y. As usual, the unknown we have to put at the left hand side, just the same as this one, the same, yeah. So y is equal to this number. You just copy. Now we are going to bring this number to this side. That means this number we are going to move it to the right hand side. So the opposite of minus will be plus. So plus with 1,200,000. Okay. So now we are going to find the value of y. Now it's easy, right, to find the value. So y is equal to 0.35 million plus 1,200,000. So since we are going to give the answer in decimal of a million, decimal of a million. So we have to change this whole number to decimal of a million. From a whole number to decimal of a million, we use division. Divide with 1 million, yeah? So we can move the numbers to the left hand side. How many times? 6 times, right? From the last number, you add a dot, then you move 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one you can cancel the zeros. So now we have 1.2 million. So now it's much easier for you to do the addition. You add up with 1.2 million. So finally, you can do in this way, in standard form. Remember, teacher always say when there is gigi rongga here, you have to put the 0. So itu ada underline. Remember to underline. And then 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5 also. And 0 plus 1 is 1. There is 2 decimal place. So this is the answer of y. Therefore, y is equal to 1.55 million. So we already find the value of x and y. So x is equal to 2.59 million, while y is equal to 1.55 million. So how to find x minus y? The question asks you to find the value of x minus y. So x minus y, you substitute the value of x here. X is 2.59 million. You minus with y is 1.55 million. Okay, so you can do in standard form also. Okay, underline. Now see here, yeah. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. So there are 2 decimal places, so you put right down like this. So the final answer is 1.04 million. So here you can see there are many steps, yeah? So you have to do one by one. You start from here, you find the value of x first, followed by the value of y, and finally you find the answer for x minus y. This is the third steps. Next, we move to the second example. There is given p times q is equal to 7/3/8 million, and w plus p times q is equal to 9.09 million. So find the value of w. So how to find w? As you can see here, there are 2 equations. Both equations are the same number. That is, we have p times q, and here also have p times q. So from this equation, you can substitute inside this second equation. You replace p times q with 7/3/8 million. You put here. Okay, so let me write it first. So now we replace the p times q with 7/3/8 million. Then the w just copy, and equal also copy. Then you also copy the 9.09 million. So what should we do now? We are going to find the value of w, right? But we have to change this fraction to decimal or whole number first. So how to change? Multiply and addition. 7 times 8 is 56. 56 plus 3 is 59 over 8. This is the value in million. Plus w is equal to 9.09 million. Like this. So next, what should we do? This number, we are going to change it to decimal so that it will be much easier for you to count. So 59 over 8 means 59 divided with 8. So you do the multiplication of 8. Okay, enough, yeah? Until 9 only. So we find out 5 divided by 8 cannot. So we take 59. Is there any 59 here? No, right? So we use 56. 56 divided by 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 7. We write down here. So 9 minus 6, the remainder is 3. We are going to make this fraction as a decimal. So when there is a remainder, you can put a dot here. Whenever you put a dot here, the dot become bigger and bigger and become 0. Is there any 30 here? No, right? So use 24. 24 is 1, 2, 3. It's 3 minus. The remainder will be 6. Again, whenever you have a dot, you can bring down 0 here. So you use 56. Because 56 is much smaller than 60 and nearer to 60. So 56 is equal to 7 again. Next, the remainder will be 4. Yeah, because 10 minus 6 is 4, right? So 4, whenever you see a dot here, you can bring down 0 here. So we have 40 divided by 8. There is 5 here. So 40 divided with 8, no remainder, it's 5 here. So 59 over 8 million is equal to 7.375 million. This number you just copy, and the plus here and W is here. So this one will be much easier, right? So the same as we do the previous question, the unknown should be put at the left hand side. This number you just need to copy. Next, the addition you move to the right hand side. The addition will be subtraction. Minus 7.375 million. So now we can find the value of y by using standard form. Here also we have gigi ronga, no teeth, so we need to plant and grow another teeth. So you put the 0 here. Million. 0 minus 5 cannot, right? So you need to borrow from 9, borrow 1, remainder 5, remainder 8. So this one become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 8 minus 7 is 1. 0 minus 3 cannot. So you need to borrow from 9, borrow 1, remains 8. Is it okay? You have a look first. Okay. Now, 10 minus 3 is 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. So, the value of W is 1.715 million. Okay, so we have how many steps here? This question is much easier compared to the first one since you are going to substitute the equation inside an equation. So, there are not much steps you have to do. Okay? So, teacher hope that you understand what I have taught you just now. So, any question you can DM me. Okay, thank you.